On April 4th, the John Michael D. Kunha Commission submitted its second interim report to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. The commission is looking into alleged irregularities in the way the previous BJP government in Karnataka handled COVID-19 related purchases and management. The Congress government had ordered this probe to investigate possible scams involving the purchase of PPE kits, medicines, and the distribution of drugs during the pandemic. Chief Secretary Shalini Rajneesh was also present when the report was submitted. This is the second of 7 interim reports that the Commission plans to release. The first report was given on August 31st, 2024. The second report is a detailed document running into 1,808 pages. It focuses on irregularities in 4 zones under the BBMP: Bomanhalli, Yelahanka, South Zone, and West Zone. The remaining 3 reports will look into Bengaluru urban and rural, Gadag, and Koppal districts. Last year, Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao had said the Commission had recommended prosecution of the then Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa and former Health Minister B. Sriramulu. They were accused of buying 3 lakh PPE kits from 2 Chinese companies in April 2020 at very high prices. The State Cabinet has decided that an official committee led by the Chief Secretary will review the report.